Hi, my name is Tara and this is Charles, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to do a video unboxing on some yard signs. And as everybody know, I do have a garden, and sometimes I do pop-up shops where I am doing like a market sale or selling some t-shirts that I make, or doing some sewing, craft shows and canning and all this sorts of stuff. So these signs will help me with that, and we're going to open them up together so I can show you what we got. So we got these signs from Jowlawn, and it's on Amazon, and I can leave the link below so you can get you some too. So let's open this up. We got you outside. We had a nice day today, so we thought we would come outside and shoot this video.
Not me, my balls got beat by 10, but
oh
anyway.
Gosh.
Anyway.
This is a sports fan. So as you can see, got some signs here. Set this down here. Hold this for me, Charles.
I'm just a helper as always.
Yeah, he's just my helper. So as you can see, they send you some markers. These markers come with the signs. Oh, and there goes my glasses. These markers, and then these yard stakes, and then the sign itself. So let's open this up and look at the sign. They did some pretty good packaging on this.
They want to see your face, dear.
Here I am. All right, so let's see. Let's open this up.
I mean, I know I'm the good looking one, but
yeah. Anyway, oh, there we go. Open them up. Oh no, I'm gonna have to fast forward this. I had to get the knife over there.
I'll just take this nap while she's doing that.
Well, it's just okay. Here we go. So here are the markers, and we got 10 markers, all different colors, and we're going to do a demonstration of how these apply. So hold this for me. And so these are the stakes that we will use to put them in the ground. We're going to use them in my garden today, because we have started planting our seeds, and to know what plant is
Not
what.
her garden.
Our garden. And so you get these stakes, and you get four of these, and these are strong, heavy duty. So if you hold these two, he's my helper.
Run out of hands.
All right. So here are the signs. And look, these are all rounded corners, so you don't have to worry about getting your hand cut. All right. Let's get one out. All right, so here we go. This is what the sign looks like. And I'll leave the dimensions and all that of all four of them, because we got four, okay? I'm gonna leave the dimensions. So Charles, why don't you hand me one of those markers and let's mark on here.
What color would you like?
Let's go with black. So we got one of these little stakes. Stakes we're gonna use.
Always bet on black.
Okay, so let's start by showing me, and my writing is not that good, but it's better than Charles's. So here we go, the black, and we're gonna sow. We got some seeds that we're gonna plant, so we're gonna start by using some sunflowers. So let's write on here. So you see that? Sunflowers. Look, and it's on here. It's on this side, and you can't see it on this side. So if I had something that was a double, I could put like cucumbers or roses on this side, and you can't see it. See sunflowers, and then there's roses. Okay, So, okay, let's close this up, Charles, and put that back in there for me. And we are going to put this together. Okay, so we're going to put this together, and we're going to go over here in the yard so you can see us installing this. Okay, guys, so we are down here in the mud mess, and we're going to get ready to install this in the ground over here in my flower / garden bed. And Charles is going to show you, demonstrate. So he's putting it together. So y'all watch him.
Real simple. Just insertion to the bottom, these holes, get a groove.
And know that this can only be done horizontally. You cannot do it vertically because the holes are only down here on the horizontal part.
As you can see, slides right in real easy. Our ground is really wet, so we don't need to. But if you wanted to put your foot in there, you leave a little gap in between the stand and that, and you put it in. But our ground is so wet that you don't really have to do that. But if you needed to, you can stick your foot in between that.
See how that's working out for us? All right. So there you go. Sunflowers will be planted there. And if I wanted to do roses, I could turn it on the other side and plant me some roses and just stick it down in the thing. And like you said, if your ground was harder than our ground, you just pull it up some, and you can use your foot and push it on down in the ground. See how simple that is? All right, guys. Well, Charles, bend down so they can see you.
Till next time.
Thank you for tuning in to this channel. And please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.